Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a crossbody bag, and all you need is your tip rule, your jotter, very compulsory, then your leather, your rule, your scissors, your pen, your jotter, like I earlier said, your zip, and make sure the zip is the same color with the leather. This is your bias, is used to lining the inside. Then this is called adjuster. You can get it in both the gold and silver depending on what you like to use. Then that's D-ring. This is lining. You can use any lining of your choice. We have different type of lining, both the thick and the one that is not thick. Then we have your zip, the zip, and then we'll make use of the gum is not really compulsory, but if you want something free and less stressful, then I think you should make use of your gum, but it's not compulsory. You can do it like that, because I don't like stress. So yes, the measurement for this is 10 and a half by 8. That is what I use here, 10 and a half by 8. So you can just, for it to be easy for you, you can lap your leather. This is called lapping of leather. Like lap your leather the way I just lap it, then just cut like this. Or you can just use your normal measurement, which is 10 and a half by 8. So if you watch closely, you see what I'm doing. I'm cutting it now, cutting it 8. I'm making sure both sides are equal. So this 8. So now we have it in two sides, just like this. Even if you don't want to lap the leather at first, you can just cut out. It's still the same thing. So we are going to be using if you have any cup, like the cover, to curve the edges, so that we have a curve edges, not rectangle edges. Very, very necessary. So you can see how it looks now. We'll do same to the other side. So this cover I'm using is like a cream cover. I wanted to use can cover before, but it will be too small. I want something that will come out well, so I had to use this cover. So you can use any cover close to you, be it air cream, disposal, like the cover, just use it. So hope you can see it now. So now we'll move forward to cutting the zipper. I want to put zip outside, but before then we need to cover this bag, because what we are making here is excellence. Like we go for 100% excellence, right? So rather than leaving it like that, cut and nail, I know you understand cut and nail, we're going to put gum. I'm adding gum. Like earlier said, gum is not compulsory. If you don't have, use what you have. Okay, so I'm using gum because I don't want stress. So I'll put it on my lining, cut out. You will see the reason why I'm putting lining. Just follow. So this is it. We'll do the same for the other one. And this is it, right? So next we are going to measure 2 from the starting, like from the edge 2. If you have any question, you can just drop at the comments and I will answer you. So this is 2. That is where we are going to put the zipper. We'll do the same for the other one too. I want 2 zip outside, like 1 zip here, 1 zip here. So the bag is coming with 3 zip. So we'll do the same here. Then we'll cut out our zip. Remember, I earlier said you should use a zip that is matching the leather. Don't use black zip in brown leather. The only time you can use that is when you have material limitations, if there's anything like that in your country, just as we have something like that here. So there are some kind of zip we can't get here. but for excellence sake, if you can import zip, buy from another state. So make sure you use brown zip. So this is how to put the zip. Now this little thing I'm cutting here is like a design. I want, you see the way I put it now here, something like that, like a design outside. So we'll do the same. We're cutting two zip out. If you don't know how to put a zip, just also leave a comment at the comment section and I'll put a tutorial on how to put zip. And zips, like putting zip on the zip cloth, the zip head on the zip cloth, is very easy. Something that you cannot, like, you can just do at home without taking to somebody to do for you, like somebody making bags or making shoes. Just something that you can buy and put by yourself, so you will not spend too much. But if you have the money, please give it out. So now we are going to cut the sides, and for the sides I'm using 4 by 18. Yes, so that's the side. Now the zipper, we're going to cut the zipper, and the zipper will correspond with what we have on ground before. So since we have 4, we're going to do the zipper 4, but not just exactly 4. You divide it into 2, just the way I'm doing now. So it will be 2 by 2, out from that same leather. And mind you, the leather that can make this crossbag is half. Just buy half leather, like half yard. It's okay to make a crossbody bag. So this another 2, and this is 2 by 16. So let me just teach you how to get the measurement by yourself, right? So after cutting the body of your bag, you saw when I was measuring it, so you can just measure it around and divide it into 2, like into 2. The down should be more than the upper side. That's the bottom should be longer than the zipper. That's what I mean. So now we are going to be putting lining. Like I earlier said, we are going for excellence, so we'll be putting lining. But if it's just a normal bag or the souvenir cut and nail, you can choose not to put lining. If you just want to do something simple, casual for yourself, you can choose not to put lining. But what we make at the Code Online Academy and both physical class is excellence. So we are putting lining in everything we are doing. So this with me is chill board. It's called chill board. I'm going to use it for the D-ring. So the measurement there is 2 by 1, or rather 1 by 2. So I'll gum it down to the leather. Then this is D-ring. It is called D-ring. So I'll fold. If you have any question, please drop for me at the comment section. So I'm going to fold like this. So we'll take we'll take everything to the machine. Start sewing. So you sew the zip down to this leather we cut earlier, which is the zipper leather. You sew down. For neat sewing, you press it down like, okay, let me show you with the other one. Yes, just like this. You first of all, you sew down. Make sure you prepare everything before taking to the machine. Then you sew down neatly like this. Bend it down so the outside will be neat. Look at it, very, very neat. So now we're going to attach it to the base. That's the bottom. Putting our D-ring. Don't forget, put your D-ring in this place before sewing it down. Very necessary. Do not forget. So you can see what I did now, just like this. Then you sew down. Sew it down, just like this. Then we're going to do same for the other side, but before then, make sure you measure this body side again and check if that base and zip measurement is the same before you sew down. So now you can see what I'm doing. I'm sewing the zip to this side, what we cut out before. So you press it down, just follow the way I'm doing, and definitely I'm sure you get it. You will. You cannot follow the code training and you will not understand. If you don't understand here, then you need laying of ends. Definitely you understand. So you sew down, just watch closely. That's it. So you can see now, we'll do same for the other side. You can follow the other side now. Then like earlier said, make sure you make measurement. This is it. Then you can see when I put my hand into that stuff, it was open, so you can't sew like that. If not, the items you're going to put there will just fall into the main bag. So we're going to cut out another lining. You can just buy full lining. Full lining is no more than 1,000 naira, so you can make a proper bag, excellent bag. Now what I'm cutting here is foam to make the bag strong. If you don't want to use foam, no problem. If your leather is strong, it's fine. I just want something standard. Okay, so I had to put the lining down. Okay, I will show you with the other one. I put the lining down, put the foam, use another lining to cover before I sew down. Please, if you don't understand, leave a comment for me and definitely I will answer. So you can see now what I just did. You put your hand inside, it's no longer falling out. Now see this one. Cut the foam and make it exact. So I put the lining down at first, put the foam, then the lining, the foam, another lining, then I put the leather on top. So now we sew. What I'm putting on the machine is called machine oil. It helps your leather go smoothly. There's some leather that is hard when sewing because of the texture, like stretch. So now I'm trimming out excess. So you can see it now, it's perfect. So you take that, the side and the base, measure around, then sew down. If you are a bag designer before, I'm not sure this will be hard for you to get, but if you are somebody that is new, then I think it will be hard. So you need something more detailed. So you can see it now. This is the first side, so we'll do same for the second side, which I've done. Then this I'm using is bias, which I showed you earlier on. So we're going to use bias to make the inside neat, just like this. Remember, your work should be neat. So we open and bravo, voila, there you go. Beautiful and stunning, excellent. So there you go. We're going to style it now. You can see 3 pockets like I wanted. Now let's tie this handsome bag. It's actually for guys, but I think if you're a lady that like guy stuff, you can make use of it. So that is the bag there. Beautiful. So you can see how neat the inside is, and I had to style it by using books. These are 3 books. A notebook, your phone, your power bank. That's a power bank there. 3 books. It can contain more than 3 books actually. Your notebook. If you find this useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.